Thanks for checking into the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a remote battery for a 2022 Chevy Equinox. This Chevy key fob is used on several other models too, by the way. It doesn't have to be a Chevy Equinox. So if your remote looks like this, this should be a helpful thing to watch to change your battery. So first things first, there's a little button here. You're going to push this button and this pulls out the emergency key. So since this key fob battery is dead, you can't start the car or unlock the car with this, but you can with this E key. You'll pop out the driver door handle escutcheon and there's a little key cylinder there. Get in and unlock the key, and then you'll use this. You'll push this remote to the push button start, and it should start. Unless it will need a jump, then you'll have to jump the battery on the car. So you're not out of luck totally if it's just this remote. You can still get your car started. Next step is we've got to separate this key shell. And we're going to do that. You get in here. We got to pry this down. Let's see how we do this. Exactly. There we go. So we pry that apart. Just kind of get in there and separate it. And there is our battery. It's set in there. So we're going to take this out. Really important, just kind of take note to how this battery is laying in here because it's got to go the same way. You don't want to put it upside down. It's not going to work if it's upside down. It's got to go just like that. So we'll get rid of this battery. We've had real good luck with the, I guess it's pronounced Murata batteries. These are actually owned by Sony. They took over the Sony brand. They're rebranded by this company here, and they do a real good job. We've had some cheap batteries over the years, and sometimes they just do not have the correct voltage. It's just not quite strong enough, and just doesn't do the trick. So we're going to pop this battery in here and we're going to be all set. So we will put this in here just the way we had it. There we go. And we want it to snap in there. Do you hear that cool snap? So that's that. Another thing to kind of watch here is you want to make sure you don't scratch this circuit board. There's a lot of intricacies in here. You don't want to damage this. If you do, that's not good. So basically, we're going to snap this back together just like that. So we'll lay this right on top here, kind of line it up. Kind of push the one end in there. You want to make sure this lines up. It's a cool snap. That's what you need, just a crisp snap. Make sure it's all together. Now you're in good shape again. So please follow us on our YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook for more helpful automotive tips. Thank you very much.